So friends, today guys we'll discuss about the Kala Hiran controversy, Kala Hiran movies controversy. Okay, which is indirectly related to our actor Salman Khan. And recently he approaches to Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court due to some privacy and private rights violation. Okay, so let's continue. So here, as you guys know, here is the actor Salman Khan, and it is about the Kala Hiran. Okay, it is also known as the black bug. Okay, it is known as the black bug. It is found in Indian subcontinents. Done. So let's read about. So it's a very shocking news. Salman Khan sends legal notice to the makers of the film Kala Hiran. Title Kala Hiran. It is the film name based on his black bug case. Okay. So what happened, and let's see what would be the outcomes. So the topic wise notes we'll discuss about the background. Let's talk about its background. So background of the film title The Kala Hiran. The battle for legacy producer Amit Jani. Who is the producer? Amit Jani, and the director name is Bharat Srinath. Okay, so the film is inspired by the 1998 time period 1998, when Salman Khan was shooting a movie. Okay, so it is related to the Kala Hiran, also known as the black bug. So it was the black bug poaching case, and reportedly depicts the alleged conflict involving Salman Khan and gangster Lawrence Vishnoi. Okay, who are involved in that matter, particularly Salman Khan and gangster Lawrence Vishnoi. Kala Hiran, why it is news, why it is the point of discussion in our news, cause what happened. The Rajasthan's Vishnoi community treat this particular breed black bug as a very very pious, very sacred, and they have the attachment. And somehow it is also said that if there are the cases where the black bugs mothers been dead, so in that particular situation the community, particularly Bishnoi community people, and also particularly I'm just talking about the ladies, those ladies treat the child of that particular hirans as their own child. Okay, so it is the particularly important to know about. So what happened in that particular time period 1998, actor Salman Khan what did? So personality rights dispute, Salman Khan approached the Delhi High Court, as I have been told you, seeking an injunction against the film. An alleged AI generated likeness resembling him, a character wearing his signature blue bracelet is the Salman Khan wears. Okay, strongly associated with his public image. His legal team contends that these elements commercially exploit his identity without consent, cause he has the issue. That is why he is moved to the High Court, and he approaches about his personality right violations too. So concern over pending court cases, sub judice issues, the 1998 black bug poaching case and related arms act proceedings are still pending before the Rajasthan High Court. Rajasthan High Court में ये issue अभी भी pending है. Salman Khan argued that a dramatized version of the events may influence public opinion. It could prejudice ongoing judicial proceedings. Courts should prevent media content, it says, urge from the court that may interfere with the administration of the justice. AI and unauthorized depiction. One of the central allegations is the use of AI technology to create a likeness resembling Salman Khan, as I have been talked about his blue color bracelet. Okay everyone, the court So the case raises broader questions, regarding AI generated celebrities image, consent for the digital recreations, protection of the identity in the age of the artificial intelligence. Producers Amit Jani claimed he received hundreds of abusive messages. Abusive messages means definitely there are high chances that word definitely were used there with regarding of this particular issue. Alleged death threats after the legal action, and apart from that, death threats also being found. In protest, he publicly tore up the legal notice on camera, attracting further media attention. All these things. Okay. Exit of actors from the film Govind Namdev. Govind Namdev stated that the teaser of the film differed from the project he had originally agreed to. He expressed surprise over the final portrayal. Producer Amit Jani later issued him a legal notice, okay, a public apology and rupees 50 lakh as compensation. Okay, Sonu Mishra left the film after 2 days of the shooting. That I should also leave it. After the 2 days of the shooting, Sonu Mishra also left out. Okay. He alleged that the script presented a one-sided narrative against Salman Khan. Legal issues involved. The controversy involves several legal questions: personality rights, right to privacy under Article 21. That is what is important to consider about the Keshwa Nanda Bharti case. Keshwa Nanda Bharti judgment year of the 2017, about which I have been already talked about. Okay, so it is also important to know about. So, right to privacy and the publicity, freedom of the speech under Article 19A, while 19 second B also talk about the restrictions, on which ground you could be restricted if you just violate someone else's right. Okay, defamation, fair trial and the sub judice principle, intellectual property and commercial exploitation of the identity. Why the case is important? This dispute is significant because it may influence future Indian legal standards on protection of the celebrities' personality rights, use of AI to recreate the public figures, balancing artistic freedom with individuals' right, court interventions in film. Courts also playing fielder role that side. Okay. Use of AI to recreate public figure, balancing artistic freedom with individual rights. Court interventions in the films based on the ongoing legal disputes. Okay, these are the grounds on which we will discuss and we will consider things, and where individual, just as Salman Khan is claiming that his privacy and the private rights are just violating. So what are the key takeaways? The controversy surrounding Kala Hiran, the battle for the legacy, goes beyond a film disputes too. It highlights the emerging legal challenges involving AI-generated celebrity portrayals, personality right, freedom of expression, and the need to protect the fairness of ongoing judicial proceeding, via which Salman Khan has been approached Delhi High Court, as this case is also pending in Rajasthan, because it is the news when he was there. I'm just talking about the Salman Khan's presence in the year of 1998. Okay. So, the outcome of the case could become an important precedent for future disputes involving digital technologies too, as AI, okay, and public personalities in India. So कहीं ना कहीं फ्यूचर में जो भी इनका एक स्टैंडर्ड रहेगा, इनका जो भी ये अप्रोच करेंगे आगे की फिल्म्स को काइंड ऑफ, तो इन सभी के रिगार्डिंग पब्लिक के माइंड में व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इमेज could we create? That is why it is a matter of concern. Why AI is again and again mentioned here? By the if the AI, so it is about the black box image. Okay. So on the basis of AI generated artificial intelligence, cause earlier as we have been seeing like the Rashmika Mandhana's case, right? Rashmika Mandhana's case, and also the actresses, different kind of actresses. Earlier we have been read in our news, like they also approached the Delhi High Court. Some time goes, the AI morphed videos of the actresses were in the news, and that is why their right to privacy was also violating. So AI's misuse could be the major issue of concern. Someone's individual's right to privacy is violation. Okay. And again, our fundamental rights are very important. Again, under part 3rd of Indian Constitution, article 12 to 35. So article 21, right to privacy, is also important. It is also privacy. And 19, freedom of speech. ठीक है. So these are also important to consider about. Let's see what happened. So for more update, stay tuned. Thank you so much.